Hello, class 8. Today I'm going to start the part 3 of this chapter, force and pressure. So we have discussed already about the force and pressure, the applications of pressure in the previous part. Okay, so this is the third part. We are going to start about the pressure exerted by the liquids, how the pressure is exerted when there is a liquid form. We just studied about only about the pressure, its unit, then some applications. Now when what pressure, how the pressure is related with the liquids. So we know that the liquids which they do not have any proper shape as the solid, so they take the shape of the what, they take the shape of the container. Okay, and so what happens, the pressure in the liquid depends on the depth of the liquid and density also of the liquid. So let's see one example. Okay, one example in front of you is what, that we have a glass tube. Okay, open at both the ends, one glass tube. I think you can see in the diagram. So here one balloon is fixed to one end. When we hold the glass tube vertically, not horizontally, okay, vertically, because both the ends are open, isn't it? So vertically we have to take it and we have to pour water there. As we will pour water in the tube, what will happen? The balloon will increase in size. In the second diagram you can see, I think so, the balloon will increase in size. So what we can say here means, here it is explained that the liquid exerts the pressure. So there are some points how pressure is exerted by liquids. Liquid exerts equal pressure in all the directions. Okay, can you see one block is there? So when that block will be go under the water, what will happen? It will exert all the pressure in equally in different directions. Now next one, the point number 2, the pressure of the liquid at the same point will be same. So how much the pressure at the same point? Can you see one holes are there in one water bottle, isn't it? So that water bottle has put some holes there, and as soon as we put some water, what will happen? At the same position, hole circling with around the bottle in the same position, the pressure of the liquid will be same, the flow will be same. And next, the third point is the pressure of liquid increases with depth. Now can you see, there is a can. Okay, nozzles are, 3 nozzles are there in one can only, 3 nozzles are there vertically, water is filled there. Now if as the hole from at the lower position of the can, there the high pressure is there. Okay, the the spouting can has the highest pressure, then middle has little bit lower, and the first, which is the upper point of the can, that is a low pressure is that. Means what we can conclude here, that the pressure of the liquid increases with the depth. Now we'll come to the fourth point. Fourth is what, liquid always flow from a higher level to the lower level. Now one can is there in the above and one can is below. So from upper to the below, the liquid is flowing. Okay, so from always a liquid flows from higher to the lower level. And also the liquid pressure increases with the increase in density of the liquid. Now what will happen here, the water and cooking oil, two are taken, both are liquid. Okay, but here water, you can see the depth, means how much in same point in the can there is one water and another is a cooking oil. But here, as here increases, their pressure is increases where the density of the liquid, where it is dense, then the there will be increase in the pressure. Okay, so now we'll go through the applications of the liquid pressure. So before we got some applications of pressure, now liquid pressure, what applications are there? First application is construction of the dam. So wall of the dam we got already in the applications of pressure also. This one, the wall of the dam is thicker at the bottom than the top because it should withstand some increased lateral pressure. Higher the depth will be, higher the pressure exerted, and so the thicker the wall at the dam of the bottom. Thin is in the upper position and thick on the lower position. Next is the application of pressure in the liquid when there is a wall built in the submarine. So deeper the submarine submerged into the water, the greater the pressure will be exerted. Okay, and submarine is built with a thick wall so that it withstand enormous pressure at the greater depth. So even the deep sea divers also, they use specially designed suits. Okay, they use a huge pressure of water will crush their bodies now. So they use some designed suits in their body. The blood transfusion. Okay, the blood is where the now we can see when we get means we haven't any accident or we are admitted, then maybe that patient needed some blood, so that what will happen, the bottle will be hung at the higher position to increase the pressure. Okay, so it has sufficient pressure to flow to the veins of the patient, and obviously here one point will be there that liquid flows from higher to a lower level. So by this here also it is shown about from higher to the lower level. So these are the applications of liquid pressure. So till here today I will stop it, and next part we will start the atmospheric pressure. Till then, thank you, take care, goodbye.